Welcome back, Minnesota Truck Headquarters. We are inside because it is a little rainy outside, so if you guys are stuck inside, come be stuck inside with us. Let's figure out what vehicle you can get into next. I want to go over the promotions this month. We are doing a $500 matching down payment assistance when you finance with Minnesota Truck Headquarters, and no payments till next year. Yes, January 2022. No payments, okay? Along with that, we have our military first responder discount like always, and the MTH trade-up program, which means if you have bought a vehicle from us before and are looking to trade it back in, MTH will give you $1,000 more for it. But without further ado, we are going to show you how we have redone and revamped the interior of MTH, and we have a whole lot of new cool stuff in here. So we're going to start over here with Marcy. What do you got, Marcy?
Hi everybody, my name is Marcy Torres. Right here we got the Challenger 2020 6.2 liter supercharged Hellcat. Beautiful, beautiful vehicle. It's has 7,200 miles, ready to hit the track, ready to drop your kids off at school, ready for whatever you want.
All right.
All right, MTH Nation, you know what it is. It's Mike Kessler, your transportation advisor here, and I've got this hot tamale behind me. This is a 2021 Chevy Tahoe Rst trim, all raced out, black on black on black, super hot, 23 miles. Not 23,000, not 2,300, 23 miles. Come take a look at this little guy. It's got the fixed running boards, mud flaps, everything you need. Inside, it's a spaceship, totally redone interior for the 2021 model year. New screen, new gauge selectors, massive panoramic sunroof, fully adjustable back seat with the third row. We've got more charging stations than a god dang Tesla power boot over here. Enough to keep 10 tablets going. Coming around the front, like I said, it's the latest and greatest, 2021, so we've got that new body style, new front end, fully illuminated around your emblem there, and in these little vents, man. It is too hot, you'd be the hottest soccer mom around. Thanks.
What's up, MTH Nation? Nick here. Today we got this 2018 Trackhawk. This thing is sick, man. 6.2 liter V8 Hemi supercharged. This thing is bad, man. SRT. 11,000 miles. This thing is unreal, guys. Black on black. Black on black. Come look at the back, Pierce. Come look at the back. This is what everybody's gonna see when you're driving this thing, because they cannot keep up. They just cannot keep up. If you like this vehicle, give me a call at 320-405-7634. Thanks. Peace.
What is going on, MTH Nation? This is Ryan back to you, and I got a 2021 Jeep Wrangler. This isn't your grandma's Wrangler. This baby is packed with a 392 V8 under the hood, 6.4 liter. Got huge heavy-duty front bumper on the front, off-road camera on the front so they can see in front of your vision, see what's on the road in front of you. Come inside. You have heated leather front seats. Heated steering wheel, full touchscreen radio, only 22 miles. Give me a call, 320-407-0402.
What's up, MTH Nation? It's your boy Chad, and I got something real hot to show you today. I have a 2018 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat. This thing is hot, and I know you guys have seen all the 6.2s over there. It's the same motor in this bad boy, but it's a little bit different. It has a custom air lift suspension system, 20-inch niche wheels, and man, this thing is hot. You want to set yourself apart from all your buddies with the Hellcat? You need to get in this one. If you have any questions, give me a call, 320-292-8869.
All right, let's go see what Cameron and Megan are doing down here. All right, Cam, what do you got?
Behind me, I got my favorite car here on the showroom floor. It's a 2018 Porsche 718 Boxster GTS. It is all black, got the dual exhaust, 0 to 60 in only a little over 4 seconds for this small car right here. We got the Porsche rims, we got the Porsche brakes, we got the drilled and slotted rotors. This car is beautiful. It's drop top. You can take this out in the summer. It would be the perfect car to take out on the weekends and just go for a drive, because just look at it. It is beautiful. It's only got 13,000 miles, you guys. I mean, you got space in the trunk or in the front. It's just a trunk. The engine's back here. So you got space in the trunk there. It sounds amazing. If this is a car for you, give me a call at 763-370-5679.
What's up, guys? Today I am chilling This seats 4, 5 if you do it right. And you've got radio in here, you've got 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, whatever the heck you want to do. You got a roll cage if you want to go off-roading. You got the tracks on there, so you got better traction, you got better stability. This is 1000 cc, but you know this thing is killer. Give me a call, 320-406-1223.
All right, so I did let the guy who's working on our BDC Business Development Center know that he was going to be in a live, and it looks like the only thing left here is a drill and a broom. So apparently he did not want to be in the live. So we wanted to show you what we were doing here at MTH right now, the newest, latest, greatest thing. We're building 4 different offices for our Business Development Center, which essentially answers all of your questions as everybody's funneling in, asking about this vehicle and that vehicle, and can I set up an appointment here, or can I get this vehicle shipped there? These offices will be what they work out of to answer all those questions and help you in all those areas. So pretty ecstatic about that. We were pretty happy. So I'm going to run through the promotions one last time. $500 matching down payment assistance when you finance with Minnesota Truck Headquarters. No payments till next year. $500 military first responder discount, and like always, the MTH trade-up program. So we have so much inventory that yesterday on our live we had mentioned that we don't even have enough space over here for the units that we have, and it is very, very true. Our storage lot is beginning to fill up like it was a little over a year ago and beyond. So we're pretty excited about that. So if you're out looking for a vehicle, whether or not you see it on our website or don't, give us a call. We have a lot of things that are going through our reconditioning process. So a lot of things you're not going to see on the website initially. So if you're looking for a certain piece of inventory or certain vehicle that you don't see on our website, still give us a call. Give us the opportunity to let you know what we have coming in. We also do go find vehicles for customers too, so don't be afraid to give us a call and let us help you the best that we can. Our number here is 320-230-6064. All of our inventory is at yourmth.com, and if we do not have it, you do not need it.
Woo!